Our strategy is to get the word out about Principia. So a brand needs to show off, and we need to be able to take our brand to the world. And what better way to do that than to take our campus off campus and be able to show prospective students, this is what it looks like. This is where we are.
So the brief from the marketing team was to create something that really leveraged height. So we came back with a handful of ideas, and when we were brainstorming, we really thought we could go to the Idea Lab and 3D print something.
Having like almost a replica of the space that ACs could travel with and show to prospective students ended up being really compelling for everybody.
We have this amazing Idea Lab funded by a very generous donor, and so having the opportunity to do it in the Aptaker Lab and to print it on a 3D printer that our students also can have the experience of using throughout their time at Principia, what a cool opportunity.